All right, so I'm going to write in my coefficient for x. So the coefficients for x are 5 and 1. The coefficients for y are 2 and 1. So I can multiply, I can make my x's the same or my y's. I'm going to pick the smaller numbers and I'm going to eliminate the y's, right? Because I can multiply 1 times 2 to get 2. So I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 2 to get negative 2x minus 2y equals negative 18. The first equation, I'm going to rewrite it exactly the way it is. Now, I have to figure out, do I add or subtract? Well, I have a positive 2 and a negative 2. So since they're opposite signs, we add. So 5 plus a negative 2 is 3x. The y's are eliminated. And then 21 plus a negative just means minus. So x is 1. Going to plug that in. I know the second equation has smaller numbers, but I prefer everything to be positive. So I'm going to plug in to this equation, but do whichever one you like. So instead of x, I can put a 1 there. This is 5. This is a two-step equation. Get rid of the 5. That's 16. When I divide, I get y equals 8. So I think the answer is 1, 8. Last one we need to check on the next slide. And we think the answer is 1, 8. So I'm going to plug this in, but parentheses for variables. Instead of x, put a 1. Instead of y, put in 8. This is 5 plus 16, which is 21. First one checks. Negative. Instead of variables, parentheses. X is 1, y is 8. This is negative 1 minus 8, which is negative 9. It checks out. Put our answer in the box. It is time for your exit ticket. Take your time, show your work, and check it to make sure you are right.